Hey, today we'll be going over how to read a FASTA file using Python. To achieve this, we'll use the Biopython package that can be directly installed from the Python package index using pip. Let's get started. First, we'll create a virtual environment to isolate the packages required for this project away from the system environment. This is a best practice and it'll keep your workflow clean going forward. You can then activate the environment for the current session by sourcing it. Notice that there is now a VM in the parentheses next to my shell prompt. This means that the virtual environment was successfully activated. We can now go ahead and install Biopython using pip. After the installation is complete, we will also need a sample FASTA file to read from. The example I have can be downloaded from my GitHub. The link will be in the description. Just to note, I have truncated the DNA sequences within it for demonstration purposes. With the FASTA file in our working directory, we can now create a Python script to read from it. First, we'll import the seek.io class from Biopython, which contains helpful methods for parsing different file formats. Then, we'll define the readFASTA function with two parameters, the file path to the FASTA file and the file format as required by Biopython, which in this case will default to FASTA. Then, we'll open a handle to the file. This ensures that the handle will be properly closed when the code block becomes out of scope. Next, we'll iterate over each DNA sequence in the FASTA file by calling seek.io's parse function, passing in the file handle and file format as arguments. Each item being iterated over is a Biopython sequence object. This class contains lots of helpful variables and methods that we'll make use of later. For now, we'll simply print out some information about each sequence. With the function defined, we'll then call it and pass in the path to the file. Because it is in the same directory our Python script is in, we can simply put the file name without needing a path. Biopython also contains many helpful methods such as taking the reverse complement of a sequence. For example, we can call the method directly using a sequence object. Notice how it also returns a sequence object. As seen, using Biopython will allow us to take advantage of the object-oriented programming benefits that exist within Python. We'll make further use of these properties in later videos. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.